Dad. Happy Father's Day. There are just not enough words to express how much you mean to me. Your love is like a warm hug, always there to comfort and support me. You're not just a wonderful dad. You're my biggest cheerleader, my shoulder to cry on, and my partner in crime for all things fun. You filled my life with so much love, laughter, and support. Thank you so much for always believing in me, even when I doubted myself. Thank you for all the times you patiently taught me things, from how to ride a bike. Remember, I stumbled so many times, and you helped me get up. From navigating different challenges in life. Thank you for all the laughter, adventures, and silly jokes we've shared. You've been my rock, my anchor, and my biggest fan. Because of you, Dada, I know what true love is. Because your love is so unconditional. And it's the foundation for who I am today. You've taught me so much about life, about strength, and about kindness. I'm so grateful for your wisdom and guidance. I'm so grateful to have you as my dad. You've helped me become the person I am today. You're the most amazing dad anyone could ask for. And I feel so lucky to have you in my life. I love you so much, Dada. I'm your queen, I'm your princess, and I'm your baby always. I love you so much, and rest in peace.